Tour Guide Thailand.
Good afternoon and welcome back to another episode of Tour Guide Thailand. My name is Dr. Thanapon. Every Thursday, 1 o'clock, this program is broadcasting from Rajamongkol University of Technology, Pranakhon. This program has two parts. For the first part, information of places, and then most interest from the episode. Today, episode 77. We also have new and later updates from universities as usual. You can follow us into englishonline.imutp.ac.th or you can follow us into YouTube and Facebook at IMUTP Live. Today, episode 77. This episode is very special because I collect all the waterfalls that is the most visited in Thailand to give for you for 14 places. And let's begin from the first one. First one is Prajo Waterfalls. Prajo Waterfalls are large waterfalls in the Budo forest areas. And a waterfall called Prajo. Waterfall have a total of level of 4. In the first level, it will be the largest and the most beautiful because there is a wide rock cliff up to 60 meters high, surrounded by the fertile mountain forest, including animals such as southern spectacles, langurs, orange-bellied parasitic bird. There is also Yan Dao or golden leaf, a plant species that was discovered for the first time here in the world. Second places, Manola Waterfall. Manola Waterfalls is a beautiful natural tourist attraction in Pathalung, located in the Bandat Mountains Wildlife Sanctuaries. It is a medium size of waterfalls that is very suitable for relaxing, chilling in the waters, and have very clear waters and the water flow just right. Moreover, within the stream there will be rock and island along the way. There is also a beautiful hanging bridge. You can also check in and take photos. Third places, Khun Si Waterfall. Tham Khun Si Waterfalls, located in Khao Phavihan National Park, which is not far from Phamor Island. It is a waterfall that originated from Hoi Thami. During the rainy seasons, the waterfall will have large amount of water flowing down, split out into beautiful certains, but during the dry seasons, there are no waterfalls to visit here. Therefore, you should check carefully before traveling. Fourth places, Kapok Waterfalls. Let's cross over and visit the waterfalls because in Chumphon, there are natural tourist attractions like waterfall for us to enjoy in the middle of the waters. Like waterfalls, which are in the Waterfall Forest Park, the waterfall look like a cave Although it is small, but the water never dried up. This is considered an advantage for tourists. Those who want to swim in the waterfalls in the summer can come without having not to worry. There is a water jumps into. In conclusion, Kapok waterfalls can be visited all year round without having to care about the seasons. The fifth places. Tham Soda Waterfalls. The unseen of Tham Soda Waterfall is a waterfall that is not just there for us to stop by, to admire its beauties or swim like normal waterfalls. But there is also the wonder of stone pagodas that occur naturally. Moreover, it is also a waterfall that we can walk and admire from both in front and inside the waterfall, because behind the waterfalls there is a rocky ridge that looks like a cave that you are walking. Inside there is also a Buddha image of Gautama that visitors can stop by and pay their respect to. You got to see a beautiful waterfalls. Plus, you get to worship the Buddha at the same place. It's really great. Six places. Panang Khoi Waterfall. Panang Khoi Waterfalls is a large waterfall on the mountains with 3 levels and a pool where you can swim. There is also a beautiful point of water flowing down from a high cliff. In addition, at the top of the cliff is the locations of monasteries. The merit go to pay homage. Moreover, on the way up, there are beautiful views of the forest for you to see as well. Seven places. Thao To Waterfall. Thao To Waterfalls is a relaxing place that is shady with various types of forests. The various shaped rocks. The weather is cold. It is also the locations of the Chao Pu shrines, which is highly respected and believed in Nong Bua Lampu. Including the beautiful of waterfalls down, it is also considered unusual, especially during the rainy seasons. There will be a lot of waters and strength, make it possible to see the beauties of the water clearly. 8 places. ตราดหินย้อย Waterfall. ตราดหินย้อย Waterfalls or แก่งย้อย Waterfalls is located on the south of Khao Yai National Park, which is in the area of Prachinburi Province. Ever true, it is a high waterfalls, but there is a part of the waterfalls that we can walk to see the beauty of Trat Hin Noi, with an experienced tour guide taking us inside. If you go during the high tide, it may be more difficult to travel than during low tide. But you are guaranteed to see the beautiful views of the waterfalls of its full set. 9 places. Heo Iam Waterfall. Heuiam Waterfall it is under the supervision of the national park officials. The water source flow to and flow down from the cliff about 25 meters high, creating a large water surface. During the non-flow seasons, the water is clear and clean, suitable for swimming to enjoy, but in the full flow seasons, the amount of water was going great, and that is pouring down from the cliff. It is an extremely beautiful picture. You can enjoy the views at the Heuiam Waterfalls. 10 places. Than Thip Waterfalls. Than Thip Waterfall, it is a stream that flows through rock layers of various height and low. At some point, it flows through a wide stone fields. In some parts, it was a deep pool of waters before falling down from a 5-meter high cliff, surrounded by rich natures, very suitable for playing in the waters. Because the waterfalls is not very deep, you can go soak in cold waters, immerse yourself in the rich green forest. You can enjoy at Than Thip Waterfalls. 11 places. Ta Kraw Waterfall. Ta Kraw Waterfall is a small waterfall with a wide shallow besides resembling a stream. It is part of Khao Yai National Park, not far from the National Park Protection Unit. The entrance to the waterfall is full of shops and restaurants serving tourists, including a tent seat and bathrooms for those who want to relax near the waterfalls. It's a good activity if you like to have a tent, stand and sit beside the waterfalls. 12 places. Wang Gan Leung Waterfalls. Wang Gan Leung Waterfalls, located in the area Chai Ba Dan National Reserve Forest. It is a waterfall that is not very large, and it is only waterfalls in Lopburi province. Normally, waterfall originated high in the mountains, but the source of these waterfalls come from the several very large underground springs. Rising from Olive Crack, it will flow in a distance of approximately 1 kilometer. Then, gather at the Limestone Right area. Turn it into foolish waters. You can also travel throughout the year, but this is strong waterfalls throughout the year. And most importantly, the water will be clear and it is emerald green. The water is clear and absolutely beautiful. 13 places. Tan Ton Waterfalls. The important tourist attractions of Chayapum province. It is a beautiful waterfall located in Tan Ton National Park. Waterfall throughout the years, especially in the rainy seasons. It is especially beautiful. Above is a stream flowing through a stone courtyard on both sides. The stream is shaded by a large trees, suitable for sitting and relaxing, admiring nature and playing in the waters. The top of the waterfall is a wide rocky area for along the rivers. Along the stone, turrets and full onto the cliff. to form Tan Ton Waterfalls, which is high. The last places, number 14, Krai Thong Waterfalls. If you visit the fields of Kajil flowers, Krai Thong National Park, in addition to see the beauties in addition to the Kajil flower fields, you can also visit Krai Thong Waterfalls, which is located not far from the park office. The waterfall is small, but it has the beauties of the flowing waters. Passing through the stone courtyard below is a puddles, wide enough to pay into the waters along the ponds. There are banyan trees. Therefore, this basin is called Wang Sai and is origin of the same Krai Thong Waterfalls. And all is the places that I recommend if you like to visit the waterfalls in Thailand.
Tour Guide Thailand.
Update News ราชมงคล University of Technology พระนคร is delighted to announcing the Associate Professors Jane Michaels Chapuis from the University of Paris. He will be teaching an intensive international marketing course in International Business Department. Associate Professor Jane Michael Chapuis is a distinguished expert in the fields of management and marketing, with over 3 decades of academic and professional experience. His sessions will provide students with the deep insights into the fields of international marketing. He is thrilled to welcome Professor Jane Michael Chapuis to the business faculties of RMUTP, said by the Dean of the Business Faculties, Assistant Professor Dr. Rattanawari Maisak, and the Head of the International Business Department, Assistant Professor Dr. Thanapon, is convinced his expertise will greatly benefit our students and prepare them for the global business landscape. In addition to his lectures, Professors Michael Chapuis will engage in collaborative meetings with RMUTP faculties and staff to explore future academic and research partnerships. And lastly, you can follow us into englishonline.rmutp.ac.th. You can follow us into YouTube and Facebook at RMUTP Live. Please push like and subscribe that you never miss the news.
Tour Guide Thailand.